That's what I'm doing now, Mikey.
You got 2 little video cameras on?
I got smoke coming out of my breath even without the cigar. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, huh?
Gargle
A little bit rough on the breath, huh? He's a funny guy. Probably some old food particles too. What are you gonna do? You gotta love them. We're walking around the outer, well, I guess it's the perimeter road, sort of, the beach to the main road. I'll give you a shot of that. We haven't really walked down this road before, so we're trying something new. Cold. Mike told me not to wear my jacket. Here's the back of it, where we're staying. You definitely could. There's no reason why not to. It's actually, although the most of the time, well, I did see deer behind this place one time, but
most saw them coming right through one time.
Right.
And that one last night ran into the property.
6 deer yesterday we saw. Wow, that's great, man. That's more than we've seen almost in any location at one time, especially in just one day.
That's more than we've seen all together. Well, we saw 1 deer up in Tennessee.
Well, we saw deer in Sneed's the first when we went up there on the side of the road, but we didn't see them in the hunting area.
We saw 2 more from across the field early that morning. I saw 2 out in the Everglades. That one time we were riding back from Flamingo, not Flamingo, Everglades City. I saw 1.
Right. Yeah, that was wild yesterday. My adrenaline was pumping almost till I went to bed. Especially with that big ass hog I almost stepped on. Came jumping out of the bush. I thought I was gored for sure.
Yeah, you're lucky he didn't step on you.